Stanislav, I'm from China. I'm wondering what are my best options to come to the US on non-immigrant and immigrant visas. Guys, this video is special for you if you're from China. I'm going to cover this important topic, and also you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your case. Let's go. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're talking about the top 3 visas for Chinese nationals to come to the US. But before I begin, please smack that like button to give me some love and respect for what I do and showing me that you want more videos. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash that bell button not to miss the 2 videos that I release every week on a constant basis. Let's talk about China. And I know you guys have some type of paradigm in your head that you have trust issues, okay? I mean, I don't know how to put it in a more neutral way. You guys have trust issues. You want to trust your cases to your own, or you have some type of agents in China who connect you to those attorneys. I don't like these guys. I don't believe in this. I think you limit yourself to the options that are not the best for you. And I'm not only talking about myself and my processes and my team and all the respect and trust and confidence our clients have with us, but I'm more worried about the results you guys getting working with someone. I want to get this video out so we could start building that trust between us, so you guys could trust me to take care of your cases and get those results you really deserve. 3 top visas for Chinese nationals in 2025. And number 1 is O-1 visa. That is a talent visa, extraordinary ability, but don't be scared. Those names, they don't really reflect what that visa is. If you are in business, education, science, sport, or art, you can get O-1 visa approved. O-1 visa has O-1A and O-1B for different categories. O-1B has 6 criteria. O-1A has 8 criteria, and all those criteria are about your awards and prizes, the press about you, your articles and publications, you working in good companies, you're getting good money, and things like that, right? So your talent, your extraordinary ability are measured by the criteria, by the points. So as long as we can meet 3 criteria out of the 6 in O-1B and out of the 8 in O-1A, we can get you approved. And of course, I always want to get more criteria out of the way, but we can be happy with 4 or 5 criteria for O-1 visa, and that's enough for the approval. My rate for the O-1's approvals is about 99%. Okay, and I filed hundreds upon hundreds of those cases. So you guys need to make sure that if I told you that you have the potential in a case, which means within 6 months we can improve your petition, file it, get you approved with 99% chance of approval. Okay, so the potential is very important word, and remember it because it's going to be important at the end of this video. Now, Stanislav, but there must be an employer in O-1 visa. This is correct. There must be an employer, an American company or an agent or different combinations, but you can always set up your own company in the US. And that company, if set up properly, and I know how to do this, will be playing the role of your employer, so you don't have to rely on anybody in this world, only yourself. Okay, and of course we have all the tools, the PR agencies, the vendors, the people for business plans and things like that who will be helping you to improve on your petition. All those resources we're giving to you only after you hire myself and my team. And there are 100 people working in my company, and all those people are laser focused on only one thing: get you approved. Visa number 2, L-1 visa. This one is those of you who have the business in China or any other country in the world outside of the US, and you either have the business in the US or you want to start up a new company in the US. And if your company has at least 15 employees working under your control in 3-layer system, you, managers, and linear operational employees, okay, just think about the pyramid, and that is enough to qualify you for L-1 visa and transfer you to the US so you could develop the new company here or continue developing the existing business in the US. This is the second one. This is a business visa. It needs, of course, the budget to support the company for the first year of operations, but this is great for those of you who have business with 15 employees plus and who wants to start up the new idea in the US. And last but not least, EB-2 NIW. And this one is immigrant visa, which gives you the green card to you, your spouse, and kids below 21 years old, as long as you have a higher education, you have the idea what you're going to be involved here in the US, and that must be beneficial to the US government. And thirdly, you are well positioned to do this, okay? Financially, with experience, education, certification, past projects, and things like that. Let me give you a few examples of EB-2 NIW projects that have been recently approved in my company. For example, the cybersecurity specialist who built a platform for the use of small and mid-sized businesses and protect the data from leaks or hacker attacks. So this project got approved. The subway underground engineer who was proposing to fix the problems in New York subway. And the third one, it's more for fun, there's much more than that, but I got approval for the lady who proposed to build the hotel for the cows. So the cows, the moo, those things are for this hotel, and don't ask me about the details. There's a lot of things going on in this case, but also the development of this project is to build the hotel and do the ecotourism for people who are really busy in big cities and want to get away, the retreat, and milk the cow and clean the cow and maybe pick up the strawberries and things like that. So those are the quick examples for EB-2 NIW. And yes, I understand that there is a backlog for Chinese nationals for EB-2, which is about 5 years. But again, it's much better than nothing. Or it's much better than some other categories like EB-3 for Chinese nationals, which have a lot longer wait. Now, Stanislav, it's all good. How do I know if I really qualify for those visas that you mentioned? That's really easy, guys. Free evaluation. It's down below this video. Find the link, it says free evaluation. Click on it, find talent visa, business visa, L1, or national interest waiver. You can fill out all three, or you can choose one that fits you better in your mind. Give me 2 days. I will get back to you with initial analysis and look for the word potential. If I told you you have the potential, that's the green light for your case to proceed to the second stage, complex immigration planning. That's the service where with 2 phases, I develop the written strategy of your case and give it to you in writing after you meet with me personally. The third step would be hiring my team and myself with complete case filing service. So guys, do the free evaluation, come to the complex immigration planning, and then go to the third step, starting working on your petition with my team, with my processes. Also, smash that like button. Like I asked you before, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ask those questions in the comment section. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.